So what am I doing? I'm leaving you a little challenge. Peanut butter cups. So just the shot glasses, a couple of smears of peanut butter inside and give them a bit of a squish. And then they go into containers. Don't they, Sasha? You can see she's chewed these already. And she has to get the lid off to get the peanut butter cups out. So this gives her something to work at. Right? And while I'm away. Isn't that right, Sasha? Hey? While I'm gone for 2 hours, how'd it work? You've got these. So, are you ready? Well, I don't like that one because that one's all chewed up. Look at that. That's too easy. Okay. You got them? And I'm ready to go, okay? Yep. And this way I can just leave it. I'll see you tonight, okay? I won't be long. As you can see, she's not really bothered about me leaving right now, okay? Because she's got this challenge to keep her amused, and she's got her first peanut butter cup out of the container already. Look at that. All right, bye, lovely. You're right, Dad. Just go. Nick off. I'm okay.